The iPhone 17 mini, as envisioned in recent concept designs, aims to deliver flagship-level performance within a compact form factor. Featuring a 5.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz promotion refresh rate, the device offers smooth visuals and an ergonomic design. Powered by the A19 Bionic chip and running on iOS 19, it promises swift performance and enhanced AI capabilities. The camera system includes dual 48MP rear sensors, an ultra-wide and a 3x telephoto lens, alongside a 24MP front camera, catering to photography enthusiasts. Constructed with a ceramic shield, 2 glass front and back, the iPhone 17 mini emphasizes durability. Additionally, the device is imagined to support 6G connectivity, ensuring future-proofing for next-generation networks. While Apple has not confirmed the release of a mini model in the iPhone 17 lineup, these concepts highlight the potential for a compact yet powerful smartphone that could appeal to users preferring smaller devices without compromising on performance.